They said that the state that should be created for the southeast must come from the southeast and not south-south. That Anioma state cannot join the southeast because Anioma is south-south. This is what some of our Igbo brothers in the southeast that want a name state are saying. And this is also what some Anioma people that don't want Anioma state to join the southeast are saying. Look at what this one said. He said, you want to collect and reduce the strength and population of the south-south to increase, strengthen and enlarge the southeast because of your selfish interest. It won't work. It's the southeast that has the slot for another state, not the south-south. Let them create that one state in the southeast and leave the south-south alone. Thank you. This comment came from Facebook, from Anokwane person. The National Assembly said that one state should be given to the southeast. They did not say that the state must come from the southeast. English too hard for some people to understand. One state should be created for the southeast. Not the state that should be created for the southeast must come from the southeast. When they say go to school, some people go enter classroom, they look the back of blackboard. The National Assembly have made it possible for Anioma state to be created and zoned to the southeast. When you say states that are being proposed to be created for the southeast, those states are Anioma state, Adada state, and Anem state. Some of our Igbo brothers that don't know that Igbo nation needs unity. Those set of our Igbo brothers that don't know what we are fighting for. They go just see posts for social media. Instead of them to make research, know why are these people agitating for Anioma state. They will just come out and say a state should come from the southeast, not the south-south. Social media is supposed to be a place where you champion a cause. Use that influence of social media. Champion what will benefit your people. Champion the right cause. We dey here the champion make Igbo people unite. Make we Anioma people unite with our Igbo brothers for southeast. Some of our people for southeast where they play too much. The day on social media they tell say any state that should be created for the southeast should come from the southeast. Anioma people are not southeast. They are south-south. Every sensible Igbo person support Anioma states. None of them they tell say Anioma people are in the south-south. They cannot join the southeast. Something where National Assembly don't make possible. Some people just they think say this Anioma state where we dey talk about, so say we are just doing it because of wetin wan enter our pockets. What are we getting? We are doing this for the love of Igbo nation. Anioma state is not just to create a state. Anioma state is to correct an error. Some people for Okwane land, Eka Oshimanda they say they no just artists. People that don't know the importance of having a state. People that don't know what is happening around them. They want Anioma state to be in the south-south. If any state will be given to the south-south, that state will never be Anioma, because other people in the south-south will never allow it to happen. No mind this rubbish where this person they talk for this place. These are the people that are problems that we are having in Okwane land. Now Okwane person type that rubbish. Okwane Banyeze and Indokwa Banyeze. Not be everybody where they sing for Okwane land won't make Okwane land better. Some people just they sing that song. They don't know the meaning of that song. We are not here to beg people to support Anioma state. We are here to tell them to do the right thing. In the past, Anioma people are located in Western region. Anioma people left Western region and joined Midwestern region. Different geopolitical zones. People who live Western region join Midwestern region. We left Midwestern region and joined South-South. So what you call they make some people they feel say we not go fit leave south-south to join southeast. If better thing won't come for us through southeast, make we leave the thing because of say we dey for south-south. They are saying we want Anem state, we don't want Anioma state. Anioma people are south-south people. They should be in the south-south. The slot is meant for the southeast. Those are the same people that will tell you we don't want Anioma state. All we want is Biafra. As you agitate for Biafra, Anioma state won't join southeast. Get one first. Two of your children lost, you dey find the two children. So as you can't see that one, you go talk say this one I see, I'm not go carry am go house. So if I not see the other one, I not go house. Instead of me to carry this one go house, make I not get the two. even if you want Biafra, if any good thing they come Igbo nation, grab that thing, and be waiting person wey get sense they do. And somebody there for comment section, they talk rubbish, and the people should remain in the south. People who don't know what's in the Igbo agenda, people that don't know what we are fighting for. They think say we come this place, come play. For Nigeria, every tribes and ethnic groups are uniting. Urobo people are uniting. Yoruba people are uniting. Igbo nation are uniting. Don't you know that Anioma State is for the sake of Igbo unification? No be say we no go fit agitate for Anioma State to be in the south, but what is the benefit of we Anioma people being with people that we have nothing in common with? The same way so many tribes for south not like southeast. Now the same way they not like we Anioma people. And that is because we are Igbo people. Anybody who hates southeast hates we Anioma people. Anybody who like Anioma people and they not like southeast, that person is an enemy. That love you get for Anioma na to keep Anioma people away from the southeast. No be say that person like Anioma people. If to say southeast na Fulani, Anioma na Fulani, you will never see Fulani people from the southeast come out on social media saying that Anioma people are south. That anything that should be created should come from the southeast. Some people go they make comments. They're not the reason before they make comments. We dey talk say our Igbo brothers that are indigenous in Edo State are suffering. They want to leave Edo State to join Anioma State through boundary adjustment. They want Anioma State to be created and zoned to the southeast. Senator Ned is trying to carry Anioma people to the southeast for his selfish interests. What has Senator Ned done for we Okwane people? What have he done for Oshimli, Anyocha, and the Ika people? Senator Ned is only fighting for his personal pocket. He is fighting for his own agenda. Person they agitate to give you a state instead of to grab that opportunity when they give you. You dey online, they talk rubbish. Say you won't say you go southeast. Onye Nzuzu Adema, Nzuzu Akarena Nioma, Nzuzu everywhere. We will keep calling such people Ndenzuzu till they wake up. Which project in this Delta state is bigger than state creation? Is flyover bigger than state creation? No. Is a university bigger than state creation? No. You want me to give you flyover. You want me to give you university. You want me to give you light. You want me to give you infrastructures. But you don't want a Anioma State. How you go get all those things if you not get a state? Delta state government will not get direction. Where nothing give Ukwane people light. Instead of them to give Ukwane people light, they busy. They construct flyover for Abo. Share flyover where they build for Abo. They important pass Ukwane land will not get light for more than 20 years. Ukwane dey darkness. They not fit give Ukwane people light. They go they do flyover. Ukwane not get federal university, no state university, no infrastructure. Nothing is in Ukwane land. Ukwane land is the most backward Igbo speaking region in Delta states. Yet you go see some of our Ukwane people. They for comment section, they talk rubbish. Some of them are saying Senator Nedwoko wants to carry us to the southeast. Did we tell him that we don't want to remain in Delta State in Denzuzu? Anioma State is not a selfish agenda. Anioma State is for equity, justice, and fairness. Ndibo are being divided, separated from each other. Ndibo are being turned against each other. The identity crisis where they hear for Anioma land today, now false narratives where evil people don't spread to see say Anioma people are separate from their Igbo brothers in the southeast. We are here to destroy that narrative. That is why we are here championing for Anioma State to be created and zoned to the southeast. Those people where they for southeast, they tell say, anything that should be created for the southeast should come from the southeast, not Anioma people that are in the south. Those people don't know that the southeast is too small. They don't know that mapping out land from Anambra and Imo to create a state is a minus to Igbo nation. It's not a plus. Your mates, they collect extra land where they don't lose sense to increase their land mass, to increase their population and their political strength. You they push that extra land mass away. They divide the one where you dey already. Ijaw people are looking for another state called Toruebe State. The Ijaw people in Ondo, Edo, and Delta, they want to form a state for Ijaw people to have 2 more states. They did not say that Bayelsa State is so big for them to divide it. No. They want another extra one outside Bayelsa State. And some of our Igbo brothers for Southeast, they talk, say, they should map out land from Imo and Anambra to form a new state and leave Anyama people to remain in the South. And then Zuzu. Nzuzu Akare. And then Zuzu. Not they laugh or say, we not sabi play politics. Some of our Igbo brothers will not get direction. Still they online. They propagate a false narrative. They propagate a narrative that will cause more harm to Igbo nation. Now those Igbo people go come out like they talk say Igbo people not get food. Oh. If you be Hausa Fulani people, we not go to chop for Southeast. We not get tomato. We not get onions. We not get rice. We not get beans. If Nigeria break up, hunger go kill Igbo people. So many Igbo people are saying all these things online. When Nigeria was not created, Igbo people they hungry. No, we dey eat the one we get for Igbo land. The Southeast is where Anyama people can say something and their opinion will matter. South just be like werewolves, lions, leopard, different animals just gather. They have nothing in common. But in the Southeast, if we Anyama people join our Igbo brothers in the Southeast, we go get one voice. We get the same mindset, the same agenda, the same motive, the same goal. That is why Anyama people are expected to be in the Southeast. Those Anyama people that are saying that Anyama should remain in the South should know that if any slots come up in the future for a state to be created for the South, Anyama will never take that slot. Ogoni people are there agitating to get a state in the South. Urhobo people are there agitating to have a state in the South. Esan people, the same thing. Toruebe people, Ijaw people, the same thing. Obolo states in Akwa Ibom state, the same thing. So many people are agitating to have a state in this South. So, do you think that when that time comes, that these people in the South that are looking for a state will allow we Anyama people to take that slot? No. And that's because South is a place for survivor. Everybody, they put himself first. Obolo person not go put Anyama people first before Obolo. Urhobo not go try am. Ishekiri not go try am. Those Anyama people where they thought say make Anyama state today for South, they think say they're wise. Their own are to just they talk nonsense online. They're not they see the future. They thought say they don't make Anyama state join Southeast today. They're not the reason waiting go happen for future. They are supposed to predict these people where they South so they go fit allow we Anyama people to take this slot for future. Just look at the amount of state agitation going on in the South. You think say Ogoni people go sit down, make we Anyama people take the slot. Urhobo people go sit down, make we Anyama people take the slot. Esan people go sit down, make we Anyama people take the slot. Everyone are looking for their own states. Our Igbo brothers for Southeast, give us their slot. Say Anyama people, make una take this slot, join us for Southeast. That is brotherly love. That is Obi-Wan. And we Anyama people, we took the slot. Traditional rulers in Anyama land are happy that that slot was given to we Anyama people. His Royal Majesty, the Obuzo of Ibuzo, the Ogwani of Okpanam, and so many other traditional rulers in Okwane, Eka, Oshimili, and Anyocha, they have said it countless times in press conferences. National newspapers and national televisions carried it. They were saying that they are Igbo people, that they support Anyama state creation and the Southeast zone, that they want Anyama state to be created and zoned to the Southeast. We Anyama people, we protested in Asaba, telling the chief of staff to the governor that we Anyama people from Eka, Okwa, and Oshimi, and Anyocha, that we support Anyama state creation and the Southeast zone, that we want Anyama state to be created and zoned to the Southeast. Those are Igbo brothers that are listening to those Eka, Okwa, and Oshimi, and Anyocha people that are saying that they don't want to join the Southeast. All those things now opinion where they just they give. Person go just come out for Facebook and say no one join Southeast. You they listen to such person. Is that person a decision maker in Okwane land? No. Is that person a decision maker in Oshimiri, Anyocha, and Ikaland? No. So ignore those people. All those people are irrelevant people. Now, waiting we talk when national television and newspapers carry. Now, National Assembly take the work. Igbo agenda first. Ishiagwale.